If you handed me $1,000 right now in 2025, here's exactly how I'd invest it, step by step. And no, it's not crypto YOLO bets or meme coins. This is a plan that can actually build wealth, even if you're just starting with a small amount of money. Stick around to the end, because the smartest $100 you can invest this year isn't even in the stock market. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is and I make personal finance simple, from investing to saving money to building financial freedom. If you want to grow your money in 2025, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss the next video. Alright, let's break this $1,000 down. Step 1. Emergency fund, $200. First things first, before investing, you need a safety net. I'd put $200 of that $1,000 into a high-yield savings account. It's boring, I know, but having even a small emergency cushion stops you from having to swipe a credit card when life happens. Step 2. Index funds, ETFs. $300 next, $300 into a broad market index fund or ETF, like the S&P 500. Why? Because history shows it's one of the safest long-term wealth builders. Even starting with a few $100s, you're getting exposure to hundreds of companies. Think of it as owning a slice of the entire economy. Step 3. Retirement account, $200 if you're eligible. I'd drop $200 into a Roth IRA. The beauty of a Roth is that your investments grow tax-free, and when you're older, you can withdraw without paying a dime in taxes. That's like giving your future self free money. Step 4. Growth opportunities, $200 then. I'd take $200 and put it into growth opportunities. This could mean a sector ETF like tech or clean energy, or even dividend stocks for steady income. This is the fun part of your portfolio, higher risk, but also higher reward. Step 5. Invest in yourself, $100 and finally, the last $100. This might surprise you, I'd spend on myself. Books, courses, or tools to start a side hustle. Because the best investment isn't always in the market, it's in skills that can make you more money for the rest of your life. So here's the full breakdown of how I'd invest $1,000 in 2025. $200. Emergency fund, $300. Index fund, ETF, $200. Roth IRA, $200. Growth opportunities, $100. Investing in yourself simple, effective, and built for long-term wealth. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, it really helps more people see this. Comment below. How would you invest $1,000 in 2025? I'd love to see different strategies. And don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance videos every single week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.